Hey guys, if you all didn't see my last video, basically this is a series where I'm showing you all the process of how I make a sword, specifically a medieval longsword. Like I said in the last video, by no means am I expert at this, and I'm pretty new to it, so I'm open to advice if you know a lot about blacksmithing. So yeah. Alright guys, what I'm going to do first is measure and mark out all the places on the steel that I'm going to cut with the angle grinder. So I'll do that first. Here's a closer look of all of the measurements I just did and marked out. So this is the tip, obviously, and then this will be the tang of the blade. I'm doing an 8-inch tang, so that'll leave about 40 inches for the blade, which is on the longer side of medieval longswords because I think they tend to be like 36 to um, 40 inches long, so it's definitely on the longer side. But me personally, I like how the longer blades look, so that's what I'm going for. All right, and now that I've got that measured and just ready to go, I can go ahead and cut out all my measurements with the angle grinder. And then after that, we'll start like actually shaping and grinding the blade down. So yeah. Okay, I just finished cutting off the top part. So as you can see here, it's got the point shape now. Obviously very rough looking, but this is just to help me kind of get the general shape of the blade. Now we're going to move on to the tang and try to get the tang cut out. All right, guys, just finished cutting out the tang. You can see that here. But yeah, so now I'll probably start on like actually like shaping the blade with the angle grinder. Um, and yeah, see how that goes. As you can see, I kind of just knocked down the edges, just grinded these down a little bit to get rid of all the, loose metal that was hanging on, kind of give it some shape. So yeah. All right, guys, that'll be it for this part of the series. Hopefully you liked it. And next week we'll come back and we will take down the edges a lot more with the grinder to start give it the shape of a sword and like two blades on each side and all that. So make sure you come back for next week.